All right, so if you're doing SEO manually, keyword research, content optimization, competitor analysis, yeah, that can take hours. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI to do advanced SEO faster and smarter. First, quick idea. Grok can help you find keywords, analyze competitors, optimize content, and even create full SEO strategies. Start with keywords, don't guess. Let Grok generate them. Prompt: generate high-ranking SEO keywords for my niche, including long-tail keywords and search intent. Next, understand search intent. This is key for ranking. Prompt: analyze search intent for these keywords and suggest content types. Now, analyze your competitors. Prompt: analyze top-ranking competitors for these keywords and identify their strengths and gaps. Use Grok to optimize your content. Prompt: optimize this article for SEO, including keywords, headings, and readability. Don't just optimize, create new content. Prompt: create an SEO optimized blog outline targeting these keywords. Improve your site structure. Prompt: suggest internal linking strategies for my website content. You can even get technical SEO tips. Prompt: analyze my website SEO and suggest technical improvements. Here's the pro move: refine everything. Keep improving keywords, content, and strategy step by step. So yeah, once you use Grok like this, SEO becomes faster, smarter, and way more effective. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more advanced AI guides coming soon.